Today's video is about respiratory cough. We're going to get right into this video, but don't forget to get your Herbal free ebook. Hit the link below and it should be down there. So let's get started on this video. So first ingredient that we're going to use is Mullein. Mullein is for congestion, bronchitis, and cough. It is also antiviral and anti-inflammatory. The next ingredient that we're going to use is black elderberry. Anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant, also great for the immune system and upper respiratory. The next ingredient that we are going to use is thyme. Thyme is a powerful herb that helps to alleviate the infection causing the cough, and it also works as a mild sedative. The next ingredient that we are using is licorice root. Licorice root is antiviral, antimicrobial, and it is great for upper respiratory, and it also works as an expectorant. The next ingredient that we are using is marshmallow root. Great for the upper respiratory, great for soothing coughs and sore throats, and it's very powerful when it comes to soothing a cough. Very calming. It's a relaxant. And the next thing that we're going to use is peppermint leaf. Great for decongestion, great for sore throats, and it also helps to soothe the muscles. Great for upper respiratory. The next thing that we're going to use is Calandula. Great for sore throats and tonsils. It's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiviral, and it's great for upper respiratory infections. And the last thing we're going to use is orange peel for its vitamin C properties and immune boosting. So we're just going to give it a little mix. And this is a very powerful, synergetic blend for upper respiratory and cough. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that link for your free herbal ebook.